Alright y'all, I'm back. I got everything installed. Man, it was a rough job. I think for my first computer build, building a mini ITX and the HTPC case was very difficult and very challenging. So I got everything in there. I just got to load up my Windows operating system. You can see the BIOS right here. I think I did alright with cable management for my first time out. Not too bad. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and load everything up. I got my Windows disk preloaded on USB. And I will update you as soon as I got everything up and running.